Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the LiebKomfon memory foam car seat cushion. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so we're going to unzip this. It's nice that it's got a nice little kind of carry bag, although I don't know that I'll ever be able to get it back into this thing, as it seems to be pretty tight in there, frankly, and not coming out super easy. Yeah, it'll probably never go back in there because this is shrink wrapped. So let me kind of just open this up. All right, so once you remove that, it kind of self-inflates. As you can see, I'm going to let it go for a little bit, but just want to show you kind of the way it looks. Kind of rear area cut. You've got this little padding, but it's got the little nubs for to make sure it doesn't slide on your seat. This, I believe, is washable. Don't take my word for it, but you can see the foam's inside, so that may just be a cover. But I'm going to continue to let it kind of expand, as you can see. And overall, it looks pretty great. It's kind of got different sides. Showing you up close the best I can. So we'll show it to you in my car. All right, so as you can see, it just literally just goes right on your seat, and it just allows you to kind of get comfortable. It's just an extra cushion on your rear end, so it's nice that it's got like a memory foam. It's soft and it doesn't move around, and I know you can't really tell, but it doesn't really move up and down. I'm kind of moving forward and backwards, and it's not moving at all. So this thing is great. Again, it'll kind of just jump right back into regular position afterwards. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.